How to delete Picsart account permanently. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete Picsart account permanently. So then to begin with, you simply want to make sure to open up your Picsart account first thing. And once you're logged in, what next you need to do is click on the initials of the profile from the bottom of the page or from the bottom right hand side corner of your page. Next, you want to click on the pencil shape icon from the top right, from the top left, and there you have these delete profile section. If you're sure about it, click on the button. Now then you have to give a reason. Click on next and then select continue with Google. Select the Google account that is logged in, and if you're sure about it, go ahead and click on the confirm button to delete it. And you've successfully deleted your Picsart account permanently. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.